Welcome back to Wealthwise Together. Today, we're focusing on overcoming the mental, financial, and emotional challenges that many moms face, and doing so with hope. This journey we're on is all about gaining financial awareness, which is crucial for moms who often juggle multiple responsibilities. It's important to remember that developing this awareness isn't just about numbers. It's about empowering yourself emotionally and mentally to take control of your financial future. By understanding the significance of financial awareness, we can build a foundation that supports not only our financial health, but also our overall well-being. Many moms experience feelings of overwhelm due to financial concerns and emotional stress. It's important to know that these feelings are completely normal and valid. You are seen and understood in what you're going through, and there is definitely hope ahead. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. When we talk about the hidden struggles around money, it's important to recognize how deeply emotions can affect our financial decisions. Many people feel anxiety or guilt over finances, even when it comes to small purchases. That constant worry can be draining. There's also the challenge of juggling family needs alongside managing money. It can often feel like an impossible balancing act. This leads to overwhelm, where not knowing where to start makes improving financial health seem daunting. On top of that, self-doubt creeps in, and the mental load of all these concerns causes significant emotional fatigue. These feelings are real and common, and acknowledging them is the first step toward managing and overcoming these financial stressors. Financial awareness is crucial because it helps reduce anxiety and gives you a greater sense of control over your future. When you understand your finances, you're less likely to be overwhelmed by uncertainty. It also protects your children from inheriting money worries, breaking stressful cycles that can affect multiple generations. This awareness creates a sense of security and peace of mind not just for you, but for your loved ones as well. Importantly, it equips you with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions that benefit your entire family. Overall, building financial awareness helps boost your confidence, promotes family stability, and empowers you to make better choices. It's important to remember that you don't have to fix everything all at once. Giving yourself permission to take small, manageable steps can make a big difference. Progress is what really counts, not perfection, and every small action helps build your confidence along the way. A great place to start is by building simple awareness. Try tracking your spending for just 1 week, get organized with your bills, and really understand where your money is going. Having open conversations about finances with trusted friends or family can also provide valuable support and insight. And don't forget to celebrate every small victory. Whether you saved $5 this week or paid a bill on time, these wins are significant and contribute to your overall peace of mind. Each little success is a meaningful step forward, so be sure to acknowledge and appreciate them as you progress. Managing your finances can feel overwhelming, but there are some easy remedies to help you stay on track. First, create a budget that truly fits your lifestyle. Start small and give yourself room to adjust as needed. Setting small savings goals, like putting aside just $5 a week, can add up significantly over time. Before making any purchase, pause and ask yourself if you really need the item. This mindful spending habit can prevent unnecessary expenses. Lastly, take advantage of free resources such as our school platform, helpful apps, community workshops, and online support groups. These tools provide valuable guidance and encouragement along your financial journey. Anxiety can really take a toll on us. It keeps us awake at night, makes us avoid even looking at our bills, and leaves us feeling stuck and overwhelmed, not knowing where to start. But the journey toward change begins with small steps. First, we build awareness of what we're feeling. Then we practice giving ourselves grace and kindness. Reaching out for support is key, and gradually, we start to believe that change is within reach. As this happens, calm begins to replace worry. We gain clarity, which helps guide our choices. Step by step, we take control and start feeling stronger and more confident each day. This is what I like to call the emotional transformation journey, from stress to strength, moving from the before state through the shift and into a more empowered after. We don't have to face challenges by ourselves. When we come together to learn and share, we create a stronger, more resilient community. Remember, asking for help or support isn't a sign of weakness. It actually shows great courage. Embracing the power of support can make all the difference on this journey. Every step you take toward becoming more financially aware brings you closer to a sense of peace, not just for yourself, but for your entire family. It's important to remember that hope is very real and within reach, no matter where you are in your journey. This message is meant to uplift your heart and inspire you to keep moving forward with confidence and optimism. Financial awareness isn't just about numbers, it's about creating security and a brighter future. Today, I encourage you to take just 5 minutes to list your expenses. This simple step is powerful because it helps you see where your money is going and gives you control over your finances. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. Every small step you take matters and builds momentum. You're not alone in this journey. Consider joining the Wealth Wise Together community, where you can connect with others, share experiences, and gain support. Always keep in mind that you have the strength and worth to make positive changes in your financial life. Your journey starts now. Write it down, acknowledge that progress matters, reach out when you need guidance, and most importantly, believe in yourself. These are the keys to building a strong financial future. I want to invite you to join our school community, where you'll find valuable resources and workshops designed to support your growth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected. Remember, you are capable, valued, and definitely not alone on this journey. Thank you so much for being part of this, and let's keep growing together.